Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, we are going to be doing, hopefully it won't take as long as yesterday's did, another Halloween inspired look. Now this is going to look more fall right now, but here is my inspiration. Because I am from Florida, we don't have maple trees down here at all, but we have trees that produce these, which is really cool. So what I plan on doing is kind of like a normal makeup look like you would normally see, and then I will be using these as inspiration as well to do, I guess, a fall leaf inspired makeup look, but this is going to be part of like the Halloween look series that I'm doing. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will be changing out of what I'm wearing to do like pictures and my final video and stuff outside. Hopefully this doesn't take like forever like yesterday did. Yesterday I started recording about 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning and got done about like 6:30, almost 7 o'clock last night. I had over 4 hours of raw footage that was just me doing makeup, and my back hates me. My back hates me today. So anyways, just wanted to let you know I am doing makeup inspired by these because my neighbor has these at the corner. My neighbor has this tree at his house on the corner, and I love these leaves. And I was thinking, because I'm from Florida, we don't really have trees that change colors and that kind of thing. So for us, we don't really have fall. We go from summer to like spring weather to like summer weather again. So I'm from the South. So that's why I wanted to do this, because again, we don't have maple leaves here. We have these guys, which do kind of look like maple leaves for a Floridian who's only seen a maple tree like once in her life. So I thought that they were neat, and I went down and we picked a whole bunch of leaves up from his yard. He had us cut a few off the tree. They're still green because we picked them Friday, and it's Sunday right now that I'm recording this. So my friend Gina and I went down there and picked a whole bunch of leaves, and so she's going to be taking pictures today like she did yesterday for me. And so hopefully you guys enjoy this series. Depending on how long the video is, I might make this 2 parts as well. Yesterday's video, which was inspired by clips that I found in my bathroom cabinet, cleaning out space so that her and her mom would have space in my bathroom. I'm not like pulling inspiration from other artists or other YouTubers or other people on Twitter or Instagram. I'm pulling ideas for Halloween either from things that I own, things that I have. Like the other 3 looks that I have planned are based on pictures that I have saved on my computer. So I'm not like taking inspiration from anybody else for this. So if somebody wants to come for me and say, oh, well, you got that idea for me. Like I commented on a girl's post yesterday evening and said, oh, that's the look I'm going to be doing tomorrow. But I pulled information for this like, several days ago. So anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy these like Halloween videos. I will not be talking through this. I will be rocking out to some Pandora on my phone, and maybe occasionally a YouTube video, but usually just music, just because that it's going to be hard for me to like try and watch a YouTube video while I'm doing this. So I've got a whole mess of stuff out on the tray. I've got a whole slew of palettes. I have these right here that I pulled, and then I have a stack down here that's sitting on the edge of the tub, so that I have a whole bunch of like colors that I want to use, and I will be using the leaves as inspiration. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and then I will come back at the very end and have Gina record my like outro and stuff. And so yeah, wish me luck. Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt again. I decided that I'm gonna split this right here. This is the finished like base makeup for the leaf inspired fall makeup. So the next part will be the actual leaf designs. So this is part one. Part two will be the actual like drawing of the leaves and incorporating the leaves into this look. So I pulled mustard colors, rusty colors, greens, and burgundy into this look to kind of be the colors of leaves as they change. Like for example, this one here has like a couple of different browns, and it was actually like part of this was red the other day when we picked it up. I've got this like rusty color brown here, which is kind of similar to what I've got in my crease, and so that's why I used the colors that I did. So this is technically part one of the makeup look, and I didn't like set a whole lot of my face. I didn't use a whole lot of face products anyways, but so this is part one. Part two will be what you'll probably see tomorrow. So this will be a two-part Halloween look. So this you could probably get away with wearing like every day. It's neutral enough that you could get away with wearing it to work. I used a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss to get this lip. I think there's a cat hair on my lip. There was. But anyways, so this is part one. Part two, I will start recording here in just a minute. And hopefully you guys enjoy. Definitely leave me a comment down below on what you think about this Halloween series so far. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video for part two. Bye.